Hey everyone, are you ready to experience the best grilled cheese of your life? Today, we're diving into the world of grilled cheese sandwiches, but not just any grilled cheese. We're talking about 10 insane grilled cheese recipes that will rock your world. We've got cheesy, meaty, melty goodness coming at you, so get ready to drool. This isn't just a cooking video, guys, it's a challenge. Can you make it through all 10 of these epic sandwiches without your stomach rumbling so loud they hear you in Antarctica? I bet you can't. But hey, if you're up for it, I'm up for it. So grab your bread, your cheese, and maybe a fire extinguisher for the drool fires about to erupt, because we're about to embark on the most epic grilled cheese journey ever. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a cheesy moment. All right, contenders, let's kick things off with a classic, the chicken grilled cheese. We're talking tender, juicy, shredded chicken, oozing with melted cheddar cheese, all sandwiched between two perfectly golden brown slices of bread. Imagine sinking your teeth into this bad boy. The crunch of the bread, the stringy cheese pulling away with every bite, and the savory flavor of the chicken. This, my friends, is how we start a grilled cheese adventure. Next up, we're taking it up a notch with the beef grilled cheese. We're not messing around here. We're going in with thinly sliced roast beef, piled high and layered with creamy provolone cheese. Get ready for a flavor explosion because this sandwich is pure savory, cheesy, meaty bliss. I'm talking drool-worthy, gotta have another bite deliciousness. Time for a Thanksgiving feast, grilled cheese style. This turkey grilled cheese is bringing all the holiday vibes with juicy slices of turkey and melted Swiss cheese, all packed between two slices of toasted bread. It's like a warm hug on a plate, but with way more cheese. This one's perfect for any time of year, so get ready to gobble it down. Get ready to elevate your grilled cheese game with this lamb grilled cheese. We're talking tender, flavorful lamb slices, perfectly paired with tangy feta cheese. It's like a gourmet meal, but in sandwich form. This one's for all you adventurous eaters out there. Are you ready to take a bite? Hold on to your hats, folks, because this one's a flavor bomb. The pork grilled cheese is here to rock your world with tender, juicy pulled pork smothered in melted cheddar cheese. This is the ultimate comfort food, grilled cheese style. It's messy, it's cheesy, it's porky perfection. All right, I hear you. We need some greens in this grilled cheese extravaganza. But trust me, this isn't your average veggie sandwich. This spinach grilled cheese is loaded with fresh spinach and gooey mozzarella cheese, all grilled to melty perfection. It's cheesy, it's savory, and hey, you get to sneak in some veggies. Don't worry, it's still insanely delicious, even with the healthy stuff. You can't go wrong with a classic, and this tomato grilled cheese is a true winner. Juicy slices of tomato and melty mozzarella cheese, all sandwiched between two perfectly toasted slices of bread. It's simple, it's delicious, and it's the perfect way to satisfy your grilled cheese cravings. Okay, before you click away, just hear me out. The mayonnaise grilled cheese might sound strange, but trust me, it's a game changer. We're talking about creamy mayonnaise spread on the bread, then loaded with sharp cheddar cheese and grilled to golden brown perfection. The mayonnaise adds a whole other level of richness and flavor. It's seriously addictive. Don't knock it till you try it. Get ready for a flavor explosion with this mustard grilled cheese. This one's for all you tangy flavor lovers out there. We're talking about spreading a generous layer of mustard on the bread, then piling on the Swiss cheese and grilling it to crispy perfection. The mustard adds a sharp, tangy kick that takes this grilled cheese to a whole other level. We're going out with a bang with this ground beef grilled cheese. It's like a cheeseburger in sandwich form. We're talking seasoned ground beef, cooked to perfection and loaded with melted cheddar cheese. This is the ultimate indulgence. It's messy, it's cheesy, it's meaty, and it's absolutely delicious. Thanks for watching. We just went on the most epic grilled cheese journey of all time. 10 sandwiches, countless calories, and hopefully 0 regrets. Which one of these cheesy masterpieces was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below, and be sure to subscribe for more insane food adventures. Now, if you'll excuse me, I've got some serious grilled cheese cravings to attend to. Don't judge, you're probably right there with me. Until next time, keep it cheesy, my friends.